How do I file a weekly unemployment claim online?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through the process of filing your weekly unemployment claim online. Remember, staying up to date with your claims is essential to ensure continuous support during your job search.
What do you need before you start?
Before you begin, make sure you have the following. 1. Your Social Security number or unemployment insurance ID. 2. The personal identification number, PIN, you created when you first filed your unemployment claim. 3. A record of your job search activities for the week. This may include job interviews, job applications, or job offers you received.
How to access your state's unemployment website.
First, go to your state's unemployment benefits website. These sites will typically have .gov in their URL, which indicates that they're official government sites. Be cautious of any websites that do not have this designation.
How to log into your account.
1. Once you're on the home page, look for a login or sign-in option, which is usually at the top of the page. 2. Enter your unemployment insurance ID or Social Security number and PIN to access your account.
Where to find your weekly claim option.
Inside your account, look for an option to file a weekly claim, file a certification, or something similar. The exact wording can vary by state, but it will generally involve the words file and claim or certification.
How to fill out your weekly claim.
1. After clicking on the File a Claim option, you'll be led to a series of questions. These typically include 2. Whether you were able and available to work. 3. If you looked for work. 4. If you started or quit a new job. 5. If you turned down any job offers. 6. Provide honest answers to these questions. False information can lead to penalties. 7. Next, you'll need to detail your job search activities for the week. Include all applications sent, interviews attended, and any job offers you received. 8. After filling out all the information, review your answers for accuracy and then submit your claim.
What happens after filing your weekly claim?
After submitting, you should receive a confirmation. Always keep a record of this as proof of your claim. Your benefits should then be distributed as per your state's policy, typically by direct deposit or debit card. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on filing your weekly unemployment claim online. We hope this video makes your unemployment claim process a little bit easier. Remember, consistency and honesty in filing your claims are key to ensuring you receive the benefits you need. Happy filing!